In this video, I'll show you how to associate your custom object in Hubspot. Start by logging into your Hubspot account and navigating to the CRM section. From the left-hand menu, go to Objects and then select Custom Objects. Here, you'll see a list of your existing custom objects. Choose the custom object you want to work with or create a new one if needed. Once you have your custom object selected, click on the Actions or More drop-down, then choose Manage Associations. This will allow you to link your custom object to other standard objects like contacts, companies, deals, or tickets. Select the objects you want to associate and configure the association rules according to your business requirements. After setting up the associations, make sure to save your changes. This ensures your custom object is properly connected and can be used in workflows, reporting, and CRM automation. And that's it. Your custom object is now associated and ready to enhance your HubSpot CRM. Thanks for watching. Check the description for useful links, and I'll see you in the next video. If you want, I can also make a slightly shorter version under 1 minute 30 seconds, just like your other scripts, so it's perfect for a YouTube tutorial. Do you want me to do that?